Let the local state security agents, Central Intelligence Organization's investment arm, Terrestrial Holdings Private Limited, is under investigation by Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) over a 6.8 million corruption scandal involving a multi-purpose three-story building construction project. Avondale, Harare. Documents exclusively obtained by the Newsworks. Sabina mashoko budachitoka panguva achinzi ZAC probes CIO project corruption amid $7 million looting spree. Notible subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda mnaomuendera mberi vanyora vachiti the CIO is currently run by Director General Farton Mangwanya, who took over from Isaac Moyo in January last year. The process leading to the scandal started in 2021 under Moyo's leadership and continued after Mangwanya took over. Documents show the corruption case revolves around Terrestrial Holdings Private, leveraging CIO influence to obtain through pressure and spin a 4.5 million loan from National Society Security, NASA, pension funds with a simmering greed and calculated criminal intent for profit and self-enrichment. The trial of the funds runs from NASA, Stanbic Bank Zimbabwe, Chigama Architectural Services and Project Management Private Limited to Alpha Asset Management and Access Forex Private Limited. The 4.5 million was disbursed by NASA through Stanbic Bank and channeled through into a local architectural firm Chigama Architectural Service and Project Management based in Harare and Windhoek, Namibia, before being diverted to an asset management company and financial remittance firm experiencing cash flow problems for serious interest-bearing self-saving investment deals. The two financial entities involved in the shady investment deals, now under ZAC probe, are Alpha Asset Management, run by Rudo Mukamba, and Access Forex Private Limited, led by Raymond Singatini Chigogwana. The investigation is specifically targeting directors of Terrestrial Holdings and Chigama Architectural Services and Project Management. ZAC has approached or raided Access Forex, Alpha Asset Management, Stanbic Bank, Chigama Architectural Service and Project Management, NASA, and Terrestrial Holdings, a CIO company, to seize documents, contracts, financial statements and information through search and seizure warrants. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pecorruption iri kuitika munyika. Pena comment section medu dzofungura imo tikudi pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.